Good day, everyone. My name is Arian Reyes Lucero, and I am here to present my action research entitled Project RARE, Its Effect on the Mathematics Performance of Selected Grade 11 UM Students. RARE stands for Recall and Relearn. According to Brocardo, 2008, mathematical knowledge plays a very important role in understanding content as this must be applied to other subjects related to science, engineering, social sciences, accounting, and even music and arts. But the COVID-19 pandemic had brought upon many challenges in many sectors, especially in education system. Due to the decreased amount of contact time for students and lack of teacher advice when encountering learning and understanding challenges, the level of academic performance of the students, specifically in mathematics subjects, are expected to decline. That's why the researcher devised a plan to help the learners taking humanities and social sciences strand to recall and relearn crucial prerequisite skills in general mathematics. Project RARE generally aims to recall important topics in subject areas already taken in junior high school to achieve mastery and for students to easily comprehend new topics introduced in general mathematics. For the methodology, this study is a quantitative research, specifically a one-group pre-test and post-test design. It will test the effectiveness of Project RARE intervention plan in the performance of selected grade 11 UM students in general mathematics. The participants of the study are selected grade 11 students of humanities and social sciences of Tansan National Comprehensive High School. Furthermore, there is no sampling technique to be used in the study since the subject of the study are students from one section handled by the teacher researcher. Since there are 46 students in UMS 11 Socrates, then the total number of participants of the study is 46. Under the data gathering methods, we have three parts. For the pre-experimental phase, on this part, the researcher prepare the instrument to be used in the study. The researcher uses the CBEA test assessment from the division office as their pre-test and post-test. The researcher creates an intervention plan, and there is also an instrument testing to validate the pre-test and post-test and to measure the reliability of the examinations. For the experimental phase, the researcher administered the pretest on the first week and implemented the Project RARE intervention plan on the second week in teaching general mathematics. This will be done in the first grading period of the school year 2022-2023. For post-experimental phase, the subjects of the study were given the post-assessment test. The examination is just the same with the pretest, but the test questions were jumbled. Under the data analysis plan, the researcher used the mean percentage scores, standard deviation, and paired sample t-test to analyze the research question. In this study, the researcher ensured the confidentiality of all the data gathered, no monetary involvement on the part of the participants and school, and guaranteed that the facilitation of the Project RARE did not cause any emotional distress among the subject of the study. Table 1 shows the pretest and post-test result of the subject of the study. Out of 30 items pretest, the mean score of the subject is 13.78 with standard deviation of 3.65 and mean percentage score of 45.93. The subject of the study are not familiar with the first quarter MELCs in general mathematics. On the other hand, the post-test result shows a mean score of 20.63 with standard deviation of 3.99 and mean percentage score of 68.77. Table 2 shows the difference between the pretest and the post-test results, and inasmuch as the computed p-value, which is negative 8.59, is at left of the critical p-value of positive and negative 2.01 at 5% level of significance with 45 degrees of freedom, the null hypothesis is rejected. This indicates that there is a significant difference between the pretest and the post-test result of the study. The result of post-test implies that the performance of the subject of the study increased by 6.5. Thus, it can be concluded that Project RARE improved the mathematics performance of the students in the first quarter. Impliedly, Project RARE is an effective intervention program to the subjects of the study and has significant effect on the mathematics performance of the students. For our conclusion, for both students and teachers, the period of transition from online learning to face-to-face instruction is another challenge. Intervention programs are required to address the issues that students and teachers are having when teaching mathematics. According to the study, Project RARE is a successful intervention program to address learning gaps in mathematics, focusing on recalling and relearning prerequisite skills needed particularly in GenMath. Additionally, it helps in improving students' academic performance. Since the study reveals the effectiveness of the intervention program during the first quarter period, therefore, Project RARE can be continued until the end of the school year and recommended to other general mathematics teachers of Tansan National Comprehensive High School and possibly to all subject areas, focusing on the prerequisite skills needed by the students. For the references, thank you everyone for listening.